What's up guys, this is Clay with Thunder Laser, and today I want to talk about 3 real-world projects that I saw in action this week. So that's a top question that we get is how am I going to make money using these laser machines? And today I'm going to give you 3 great ideas that I just came up with on the spot as I've been thinking about that this week. Idea number 1 is pumpkin arches. So you can laser cut these pumpkins and cut off the faces, and then you can build a big arch and you can sell the arches. Idea number 2 is cups. So I had a buddy that he has 3 kids and he's given me 3 cups for each of his kids to engrave over and over and over. And I said, hey man, you should buy a laser machine and get your wife to get the other kids and their moms to give them cups to engrave their kids' water bottles for school. And then the third idea is actually how I got started in the laser world, is doing applique kits for quilt shops. So that was just 3 real world ideas that I had this week come across my desk, and I thought I would share them with you. And I think these are great ideas. Everybody's always asking, hey, how can I get started in the laser engraving business? These are just 3 ideas. So just keep your eyes open and keep thinking and keep on lasering.